Hello everyone, thank you so much for dropping by. This is Shannon B and you are watching Brown Girl Bella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. Want to give a special shout out to my Bellas, both the seasoned Bellas who have been riding with me for a long time, and then my baby Bellas, the ones who just joined, and I'm so happy you did. If you haven't, what are you waiting for? Just click my Brown Girl Bella logo at the bottom of your screen and you'll be within the Bella Brigade. And also, don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload. So for all of you who may not be aware, this is the time that I love to do my Ipsy versus Sephora plus my Ipsy Mega Bag haul. Just showing you guys what I got for the month. So this month is July and I am ready to rock and roll. I'm going to actually start off with my Sephora box. So I'm going to open it up and share with you what I got. As you know, they always give us 50 Beauty Insider points. You can redeem these either in the store or online. Just use the code that's on the back of the card. Then, of course, you know, they sent us this lovely play book. So this month's theme is Desert Island Essentials. So I'm going to be sharing with you all of the items that they curated for me for this month. And I have to say, I'm a little excited that I get to try some stuff that I've always wanted to try, but never like remember to pick it up when I'm in Sephora, or you know, something else kind of takes precedence. So I'm really happy that some of the things that I've been having my eye on for a while are actually in this box. So 2 for 2 so far last month and this month. Sephora has really stepped up their game in terms of giving me products that I really wanted to try and just for whatever reason wasn't able to. But now I've got a sample, so there's no reason not to try it. And here's one of those things. This is by Shiseido. They call this their Controlled Chaos Volumizing Mascara Ink in Black Pulse. So first thing, I love the packaging for this. Look how weighty this mascara is. I mean, this tube is hefty, so I'm sure the full size of this is going to be even more so. And then I'm going to take out the brush just so you can see that hourglass shape of the brush. Hopefully you can see that. As you know, as soon as you open up a tube of mascara, the clock starts from that moment to 3 months later when you need to discard. So I will be using this all for the month of August, and I will definitely let you know if this little baby makes my August fave. The next product I'm going to share with you, I am super excited that this is here. This is by Milk Makeup. This is their infamous Hydra Grip Primer, and it is to keep your makeup looking and feeling good all day with this gripping primer, and it's made with hemp derived cannabis and seed extract. So this is a, what do you call it, CBD product. I'm really excited to try this because everyone who has tried this really loves it, and especially for us oily girls and combination skin, this is supposed to be really good. It is cruelty free, paraben free, and 100% vegan also, so definitely I'm going to try that. Coming up in August, I am going to be doing a whole series on vegan products, both skincare vegan products and makeup vegan products. Some of the best ones that I've tried for both, and so this may pop up in that video, you never know, but I'm so excited to have it now to try it. The next product is actually a product that they had to send me because it was not in here originally. So I called up the great people over at Sephora, and they were so kind enough to send this to me so I can film it for my Bellas today. And this is the Brynn Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So this product you can use morning and night. Just use a cotton pad and apply the tonic, swiping it all over your cleansed face and neck. Bellas, don't forget to also do your neck when you're doing your face, especially when you're toning and moisturizing. Your neck needs love too, so make sure you provide it. And then you follow up with the rest of your skincare routine. So super glad to have this in my arsenal. Definitely will check it out and will let you Bellas know what I think about this product. The next one I've actually tried in another subscription box, but I'm glad to see it here as well. This is by Indy Lee. This is their brightening cleanser, and it is a lifesaver for anyone who wants to wash away impurities and be rescued from dullness. So you apply a dime size of this to clean, damp skin. You massage it in at least 60 seconds for the product to really cleanse your skin. So massage that in and then rinse. And then you can also use a wet cotton pad to remove eye makeup using this product as well. And it also doubles as an exfoliation mask. You can leave it on for 5 minutes and then wash it off for that purpose as well. So it's a very great cleanser to add to your arsenal because you can use it a multitude of ways. So definitely will try that out again and let you know. From what I remember, it was really good, but it's been a while since I've tried it, so I'm happy to try it again. The next product is actually a product that I've tried before. They usually give me, you know, these products by Living Proof, and so this one I've had before. This is a triple detox shampoo. You can use this non-stripping shampoo to remove buildup from product, pollution, and hard water. You can swap it in for regular shampoo as needed, and you can also let it sit for about 2 minutes before rinsing it out to get that clean, deep cleansing. So again, this is a really good shampoo, especially when you have a lot of products, and you know, us curly girls, we use a lot of different products in our hair. Get all that product off sometimes can be a chore, so something like this is really helpful for that purpose. And then our bonus is a fragrance. This is from Atelier Cologne, and this is their Clementine California Cologne Absolute Pure Perfume, and they describe it as bright and warm and say that this citrusy scent captures the sunny ambiance of California with every spray. Top note is clementine, the middle note is star anise, and then the bottom note is sandalwood, which I really love. So I'm sure this will be a great summertime fragrance to add to my fragrance collection. So that was everything that was in the Sephora box. So now we're gonna move on to Ipsy, and I will share with you what I got in the Ipsy bag. First, let's look at the makeup bag itself. This is what it looks like. Very tropical. I love the coral slash kind of reminds me of like a almost salmon pink with the green here. So you know I love this color. And then inside I have a little card for July. Their theme is Dive In. It says here that the summer is in full swing. Let's soak it up with dewy skin, beach babe waves, shimmering budge-proof makeup looks, and it's guaranteed to keep those chill poolside vibes going all month long. So let's share what I got. First and foremost, let's see. From Benefit Cosmetics, I have the Roller Lash. Oh, here it is. Let's hold that up. This is the Roller Lash Curling Mascara. It creates, grabs, separates, lifts, and curls with instant curve setting formula that will condition your lashes and have them stay put for 12 hours. So it is also water resistant. I'm not going to open this one because, as I mentioned before with the other mascara, the clock starts as soon as you open it up. But this is what the product looks like. I just love the packaging on this as well. I have not tried their Roller Lash, so I will be interested to try it. And as always, I will let you Bellas know what I think about it. The color is in black, so that's great as well. The next thing that I got is by Color Club. This is a nail polish in Palm to Palm, which totally aligns with the makeup bag that we received. This is a great color. I probably wouldn't put this on my fingernails, but I would definitely put this on my toes. This is what the bottle looks like. I think it is a bright, vivid, beautiful color. It is a female-founded brand that creates imaginative, one-of-a-kind colors in their New York-based manufacturing plant. And it is a cruelty-free brand as well. So I will definitely try this, probably, as I said, as a pedicure. And when I do, I will sure to take a picture and post it on my Instagram, which you all Bellas should be following me at. It's Brown Girl Bella on Instagram. So check me out and see if I'll be wearing these in a couple of weeks. The next thing I got is a brush, which you know I love. This brush is by Firma Beauty. This is a wide blender. It's number 204. This brush has ultra soft wide bristles, and it's ideal for applying eyeshadow evenly and effortlessly with zero creases or smudges or streaks. You dip your brush into your shadow, tap to remove excess, and then sweep it across your lid. I love these brushes. The bristles are very, very soft. So I am super excited to try that. I gotta reshape it because I guess it was in my makeup bag and it got a little bent. But no worries, it will work fine, I'm sure. So that I got in this bag. And then the other thing I got is the Feel Mindful Santo Soothing Mask. This is a face mask. It has mushrooms, lavender, and chamomile to help calm and soothe sensitive skin. You can apply a thick layer onto clean, dry skin, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then rinse with warm water and pat dry. So it will probably be a minute before I try this because I'm using a skincare routine that I'm actually going to be filming in the next couple of weeks that I really, really love, and it's really been working out very well for me. So I am excited to bring that to you within the next couple of weeks, and then after that I'll probably sneak in a little bit more new products into my rotation. The last product that I have is from the Balm Cosmetics, and it is a eyeshadow in He Said, She Said. And you probably can't see it, so let me swatch it for you. Looks like this. And then this is what it looks like. It looks on my skin almost like a gold color, but in the actual packaging it looks purplish. So it has a really cool shift to it that's golden, but it's really pretty. It's really, really pretty. Let's see what they say about it. Aside for the creative, cool packaging, which we all know the Balm for, they are known for their quick fix products that are easy on your wallet. This is a shimmery lavender shade that stays on for hours, can be worn wet or dry, and you can put this all over the lids or use it when wet as an eyeliner. So definitely we'll try this and we'll let you know what I think about that as well. That was everything that I got in my Ipsy bag. We're gonna move on to the final boxing, and that is the Ipsy Glam box. So I'm excited to share what I got in here. Again, as the other two unboxing, I do have a card with all of the information that I have in the box on here. This theme is Dive In, and I'm gonna start with the first product, and it is by one of my favorite brands, Pixi, and this is the Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. Pick it up. You mist it onto your skin either before makeup or all over your face for a refreshing pick-me-up throughout the day. It has 13 natural essential oils like rose flower and lavender, aloe vera, and fruit extracts to set your makeup, hydrate, protect, and give your skin a glowy, dewy finish. And then by Thrive Cosmetics, I have a liquid lash. I love this month's subscription boxes. All of them came out with standout favorites from the Ipsy Glam box. I love that they put Pixi in here. Last month I got a really great product by Sunday Riley that I love. So far I'm very, very happy with my Ipsy Glam box. The Ipsy bag, I love that this is in here. Oh, and the Thrive Cosmetics is another one from the Ipsy box that I'm really excited about. From Sephora, I'm super excited about the Milk Cosmetics Hydro Primer. I've heard nothing but great things about this Hydro Grip Primer, so I'm really excited to try that. I'm really happy that they sent me separately, because it wasn't in my box, the Brynn Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow Tonic. I love trying out new toners, and I really am excited to give this a try, especially since they were so kind enough to send it to me when I said it was missing. I really want to, give it a thorough try. So that's everything that I got. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Really helps me out a lot. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click that Brown Girl Bella button at the bottom of your screen to come into the Bella Brigade and join us. Don't forget, when you do join and subscribe, don't forget to tap that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload. Until we meet again, as always, I leave you with something to catch you up on all things Brown Girl Bella. Until we meet again, deuces. Brown skin girl, your skin just like her.